Okay, everyone, we're doing fried rice today. I have some sesame oil. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of that in the skillet. And the first thing I'm going to add, we're only doing a vegetable fried rice. We're going to make some General Tso's chicken to go with this. But the first thing I'm going to put are the peas and carrots because they are the coldest. That's about 1.5 cups. Let these come up to temp. All right, I've got some chopped onions here. I'm going to add some regular onions. We're also going to do some green onions. I'm going to use them both just because. I'm going to let these brown up a little bit. Okay, this has been cooking a couple of minutes. I've got it on not quite a high heat, but you want to cook on a almost high heat. I'm going to add, I've got some fresh garlic. You don't want to add that at the beginning. Garlic will burn. Some people scramble their eggs right in here. I scrambled mine earlier this morning when we were doing breakfast. Here goes my eggs. And last but not least, we're going to add the rice in. Rice goes last because the more you stir in it or do, and it has to be cold rice. Otherwise, it's going to make your rice back gummy and sticky. Stir up your rice, and there you have it.